Hello friends, my name is Arjun. Today I am going to teach you how to make a dino charge. This is the blue dino charge. I am teaching you red dino charge. Then I have made the blue dino charge from this paper. Then let it be, don't think about this. First take any scale, big or small. Then keep it anywhere of this paper and then fold it like this. With that you will know from where you have to cut it. Should be till 4 centimeter. The paper should be till 4 centimeter. See, mine is coming till 4 centimeter. That's why you have to open this. Then you know it, you have to cut this side. Take the pencil, make a line. See this? We did it. Now let's cut it.
Sometimes we face a sudden pause in our happiness, but not anymore. Because Bank of Baroda tries to present the remote control of happiness. We have custom digital banking products to enjoy non-stop. Bank of Baroda. Please protect my digital loss during many of the tests. One of the virus is also called human diet in the access to the handwork. This is for now. Copper is very good.
See, we did this. Now we cut it, then now fold it. I'll cut it and show you, okay? So, we cut it 4 pieces. And right, only this much paper left. Now no need of this paper. Now take this. Then hold it. Just fold it like this. Okay. Then you'll get a line. Then just fold it like this. Okay, and do this side also. So now you have to do all of these same. And then before that you have to do this also. Okay, we did this. Then turn it back, fold it like this. Can you get like this? Okay, do all of these 3 also do the same. Then I will do it and then I'll show you. Okay. So we did 4 of these. Now I'll tell you next what I have to do, and you also. Open it. Okay, open it again. Then you will see these all what you folded like this. Don't open these. Take this pointed part to this inside this thing. Okay, you kept it. Then do like this and then fold it like this. Okay. Then do the same from this also. Take this inside it then fold it. Okay, both of these are over. Okay, how do you know? Now you can see everything is having this, and can you see this also has same pointing part here. Take this thing, open this thing. Okay, take this thing and keep it inside this and turn it back. Now turn it and do the same thing here and here and here. Okay, then I will show you. I'll do it and then I'll show you. So he did it. It became like this. Okay, now take colors. I'll bring it. So this is there. You need black, red and purple. In this I used red and blue. In this I'll use black. No, in this I use black, red and blue. Then in this I'll use red, black and purple. First let's start with purple. We have this thing. Okay, don't open this. You have to color in these parts. You did it. Do here, back, this side also. Then turn it back. Do like and do this side also. Purple work is done. Okay. Okay. The purple work is done. Take the red. Now in the center, whatever is there no center, color that thing. And you can take only sketch pen, or dark, or you can take dark color pencils or crayons if it is dark, because black should also come. Okay, now turn it back. Do this. So here it's done. Now for the black time, you need black now. Take the black. Then draw it like some coma type something. Not like coma type. Because whenever you see Power Rangers, they have their mouth, glasses. It'll be like black something. That's why whenever you are coloring up, black should be anything, any type. So this is over. And I forget about this also. This should also have black. Should have. So I have now two. If you want to do backside also, you can do. Then I'll do backside also.
Let's along with that get you other reactions from Temple Trust who have also joined this part. Listen in. वर्तमान परिस्थितियों को देखते हुए श्री महाकालेश्वर मंदिर
ओके here is written so friends, if you like this video then please subscribe it and give a like. Then till that time, bye.